and welcome back to another week of oil painting this lovely winter wonderland winter scene. So what we're going to do this week, and kind of like the focus of it is to, for me, it was to wrap it up. I have been actually taking a break from this painting for about 2 weeks because I just wanted to rest and really kind of think about it a little bit more. So a lot of the creative process with oil painting, and really any creative process, is allowing it to take time to take root in your mind of exactly where you want to go next. And so it did take me a little bit to kind of get back into this one because I knew what I wanted, and I wanted to take enough time to get there. So what that means for you is like, well, I only spent maybe an hour and a half to finish this, to get it from, let's see, which way is it? Okay, no, this one. Okay, so from this point, which is week 3, and then to this point where it is now, I consider complete. And it did take me about an hour and a half, but I don't expect you to paint as fast as I do, because here's the thing, I've been painting for like 20 years and I knew where I wanted to go. And I also took 2 weeks to sit there and really think about it and, I meditate really over the piece and where I wanted to go and how I wanted to get there. So what I've done in this video is actually sped some things up just a little bit so you can see the total process without having to sit there and watch me paint every single leaf, because that would be boring. But I also want to make sure that you know about the color mixing guide, because I do some fun things in this one that are not intuitive at all about color. So be sure to check out the color mixing guide, and I think that's about it. So I really hope you enjoy painting this week, and even if it takes you longer than a week, please take the time, because it is so worth it. Just kind of also a little side note, I work on anywhere from 4 to 6 paintings at any given time, because I let paintings rest. I let the idea behind them rest. And what I'll find a lot of times is I find ways to improve them. So allow it to give you time to rest in between sessions, and then come back to it with fresh eyes. And so what if you have to paint something over? You've seen how I do it, and you'll see it actually in this video too, how I just removed a branch. So it's totally flexible. You get to create it, you get to enjoy it. So I'm gonna stop talking so that you can get started painting.